Hello. Hi. I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
We're Sisters in Stitches.
And I just got my first ThredUp box. ThredUp is a subscription where you pay $10 a month.
No, $10
or $10 a box, and then they pick out used clothing for you and send it to you. Cindy got a box, and I thought, well, that might be kind of fun. I mean, I'm okay buying used clothing as long as it's in good shape. So this is my first box, and
now ThredUp though, there are several ways you can do it. You can get a goodie box and have the stylist throw stuff in there. You can go and pick 10 items and put it in your cart and make that your goodie box. Or you can just, you know, like a whole bunch of things, you know, put the little heart thing on, and then the stylist will pick from your heart things. So Debbie just, with this box, just said let the stylist pick it. So
yeah, I won't do that next time. The first thing I got was this clutch purse.
Charles David. It retails originally for $25.
$125.
Yeah. Is there like a chain in it or anything?
No, and so I don't carry clutch purses. It's just not something I've ever enjoyed. So
this is a big clutch purse.
Yeah, that's going back.
So the original retail was $125. They're charging $37 for it. So it's probably a good quality. I don't know. I've never heard of Charles David, but okay.
Yeah, clutches and I just will never be friends. So the next thing I got was a pair of Lucky, which I really like the Lucky brand.
Yeah, I do too.
And I like the way they fit me. I was a little nervous when they were all 12s because I thought, ooh, you know, even with the weight loss, some 12s are pretty small still, but these actually fit me pretty well. So,
and they're a straight leg too. They're
and
not
I like
skinny.
Yeah, I like straight leg jeans. I'm not a boot cut girl
I
at all.
thought they fit you really, really nice. They looked really nice.
So I was really excited. So those I'm definitely keeping.
Okay, and the normal retail when they're brand new is $109, and they're charging her $24.99.
But you can also get them at Nordstrom Racks for like 40 or 50. So
and I think they're pretty new. I mean, they
look really nice. I looked over the whole. There's nothing wrong with them.
Yeah.
And then the next thing I got was a Cabi, C-A-B-I jean. And I was nervous looking at these because I thought, ooh, these are going to be kind of low cut. You know, like, I mean, even though I do have the Splendies undies when I bend over, but I was a little nervous about them. But I put them on and they actually fit pretty good. So I think, again, these are just going to be another jean I keep. I mean,
you know what I noticed, too, when you tried them on? The back is actually higher than you think it is.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so I don't think that you
have
to
so if I bend over, I'm going to have to bend over really far to show my Splendies?
Yeah, and then these are a straight leg
also a straight leg.
Yeah.
So I've got a lot of the skinny, tight ankle jeans through because I have a lot of Liverpool pants, so I'm really glad that she sent the straight leg.
The normal retail on those is $109, and they're charging her $27.99. So she got 2 pair of jeans for $50.
Mm-hmm. Now the next shirt I had on, I mean, I thought it was okay. It's Apartment 9. I mean, it's not a high-end. Yeah, it's not a high-end shirt, but I didn't like the sleeves because this is how they look on your arm. They don't stay cuffed up. Like, they just hang.
Oh.
And I didn't like that. And I think this is more of a fall-looking shirt, so I wouldn't wear this through the whole spring and summer, and it would just be sitting in my closet. So for that reason...
And it's a little sheer, so it came with the matching
camisole. And probably if I were to get this in the fall, I would have thought it was a great shirt, but I'm not going to wear this through the summer, so...
And the estimated retail on that is $40, and ThredUp's price is $22.99. Yeah. So that seems a little high for that shirt.
I think so, too.
Yeah, I wouldn't get that either.
The next shirt, I like this shirt, but I have a million of these shirts. I liked the crocheted top.
What brand is that?
It's called Cabi, same as those gray jeans.
Oh, okay, okay. Sleeveless boss, I got it. Okay.
So I think it's really cute, and I think it looked okay on me. It's just, I have a million of these shirts, so I don't need another one.
Yeah, and the retail on that was $80, and that is $23.99.
I mean, I guess it's an animal print, and I don't have an animal print. I don't have a lot of animal prints, so I mean, I guess I could keep it for that reason.
Does it bring you joy when you pick it up?
No.
There you go. Then you're not keeping it.
All right. Now, this shirt didn't bring me any joy.
It
hurt just to look at it.
Well, I think it's cute, but I like
this is
lace and
so bad.
What is the brand
This
name?
looks like you dug it out of some chest that from the...
I think it's cute. She just doesn't like lace.
Terrible.
No, it's not. What is the brand name on it so I can look it up?
Allie and Rob.
Allie and Rob, short sleeve top, retails for $30. They'll charge you $19.99.
Yeah, no thank you. This just... No.
It has, okay, since she doesn't want to describe it, it has an elastic collar lace.
Elastic sleeves, which you all know I hate.
No, these are not elastic
Yes,
sleeves.
they are.
Oh, with lace. So it's cute, but it's in a size extra large, and so maybe if it was like one size bigger, she might like it a little bit better.
Never if it's got elastic sleeves. I hate elastic
sleeves. Alrighty. And
now this shirt,
from Maurice.
If we were going into the fall, I probably would be interested. This shirt reminds me, when I put it on, I thought, this looks like I have a Batman emblem on my chest. For some reason, for me, it just looks like
it's like a black velvety. It's a black velvety
feel. And so going into spring and summer, I'm not going to wear something like this. So, and there was a pull on it, which...
On that arm right there.
Yeah, there's a big pull on it, so I wouldn't buy this shirt. So, I mean, I guess it's light enough to wear in the summer, but that big black velvet applique, that's not me at all.
They said estimated retail $34, $22.99. So I don't think that's worth it. That's like a Goodwill top you could buy.
Yeah, and then I didn't even try this on. This is just a hideous shirt. I can't even tell you. It is a Cabby again.
Okay.
And I guess Cabby must be some designer because it seems like the clothes are kind of pricey, but the cut of it
and it kind of just...
The clinginess, maybe on a girl that's a size 2, this would look really cute on, but not me. So that's going back.
And that was $89 retail. They're charging you $29.99 for that top.
And then this is a red sweater.
I think they missed the holiday.
Yeah, that is like glittery, which probably for Christmas would have been cute, but going into spring and summer, not so cute.
And it was an extra large, and she literally couldn't even get it
up onto my arm without pulling it, so I didn't even bother.
And that is $60 retail, charging $23.99. So.
And these are a pair of crop pants. I didn't even try them on because I have so many pairs of jean crop pants, so I wasn't going to get another one. But they're just random. They're called
J&M
collection. And what is those?
Retail's $48 and it's $17.99.
Yeah, so these are going back because I just don't need another pair of crop jeans. So, but I'm not disappointed because I got 2 really cute pairs of jeans out of them, and they're for 50 bucks. I got a pair of Lucky and a pair of Cabby jeans. So I'm thrilled that I did it, and I will probably do it again. I'm just gonna go on and pick the stuff myself this time.
Yeah. What's nice too about the ThredUp goodie boxes is it's not a monthly subscription. So when you're ready for another one, or say you have time to go through and find 10 items you want to try, you know?
And then if you were to keep $75 worth of items, they give you a $10 off future credit off your next box. So unfortunately, I'm only keeping $50 worth, so I won't get that credit, but I think the price of the jeans are worth it. So.
Oh yeah, yeah, and they look really, really nice. Anyway,
yeah. So if you're just looking to find some cheaper pieces to add to your wardrobe, or
staple pieces,
it's nothing. It's nothing like nothing else in the box besides the jeans wowed me at all. But I think that's also because it's a stylist that doesn't know you yet. It's my first box, and you know, I think in a situation like this, it's a hit or miss. Just like when you walk into
a Goodwill store
thrift store, it's hit or miss. So I'm not disappointed. I'm actually pretty excited that I got those 2 pair of jeans. So I think it was worth the 10 bucks.
Yeah. So when you come in another month, we'll go shopping again. So, and I just picked out 10 pieces of clothing for my goodie box. So it'll be here in a couple of weeks. So we'll see if I can do better.
It'll be interesting to see if what you see online transfers into your hands the same way.
All right, ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching.
So that's ThredUp.
ThredUp. Hit the subscribe bell. Or the
hit the subscribe button.
Yes, please.
Yep.
And the notify bell, because we've got several videos.
We're trying to get to 1,000 viewer or subscribers by Easter, because we want to do our giveaway for Easter, an Easter goodie box. It's just fun to do it around the holidays, because then you can theme it, and it's just more fun for us to put it together. So it's pretty much a selfish thing, but go ahead and hit that subscription button, please. There, that's my begging. That's my couple minutes of begging.
I was ready for minutes and minutes worth. So, all right. Good night, ladies.
Good night.